Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to remove elements from your photos using Adobe Photoshop CC. So it's super easy. All you have to do is familiarize yourself with the clone stamp tool, and it takes seconds for you to remove things from your photo. So first thing is you're going to drag and drop your image onto the Photoshop program, and this is a photo actually taken by another photographer for my graduation shoot. I was an art major, so I really want this arts building signage to be closer to my cap. That way when I post it on Instagram, it fits within the aspect ratio. There's also different electrical elements at the bottom of the building and discoloration that I want to get rid of. So we're going to focus on that first. I'm going to take the magnifying tool and get a little bit up close and personal. And you can either press the clone stamp tool on the sidebar or press S on your keyboard as a little shortcut. Press and hold the Option key on your keyboard and it'll bring up a target. And wherever you click with your mouse is where it's going to pull the content from. So for example, if I want to copy this area from a little bit above the wall and I hover it over this piping, you can see the opacity is very low. So in order to cover all of it, you just click your mouse a couple of times and voila, it's disappeared. So you're going to take that same concept and use it throughout your photo. So if I come over here with the this little discoloration and this little electrical unit here, and I want to get rid of that, I have to be aware of the shadowing from the tree, because I just don't want to clone stamp something here and it be super bright because it's not realistic. So I'm going to make the bracket a little bit smaller and press Option, and I'm going to take just content from other parts of the shadow and try to build the shadow of the tree with what I have. It's a little bit hard just with how the photo is taken on this, so it takes a little bit of playing around with, and I can even pull from different parts of the shadow so it's more believable. And I'm just really trying to build that shape. So as you can see right here, this is kind of where I want it to be. I can just edit the coloration at the bottom later. So right now I'm going to focus on the arts building and getting that closer to me. So using the same type of technique, I'm going back to the clone stamp tool by pressing S on my keyboard, using the brackets to make it larger, and I'm going to copy this wording and bring it down here. So holding down the Option key, I'm going to start with the B, U, and this line in the middle, so I can use that as my guide, and I want it to be right about there. So again, I'm just pressing multiple times to really deepen the color and make it more solid. And you can see that I pulled some from up here, a little bit of the crease. So what I'm going to take is a stamp from the middle, bring it down here, and just make sure I'm lining it up properly. And there you go. So I'm going to use the same concept, and I'm going to be rebuilding these letters. And if I zoom out, that's going to be my final photo. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next one.